Praise the Lord to everyone. My name is Rosemary Rao. Today is 23rd October and today is my birthday. Please pray for me and my future. I have had Psalm 119 and today I am going to tell. Blessed are those who are blameless, who walk according to the law of the Lord. Blessed are those who keep his statutes and seek with him all their heart. They do no wrong but follow his ways. You have laid down my precepts that are to be fully obeyed. Oh, that are my ways, very fast in obeying your decrees. Then I will not be put to shame when I consider all your commands. I will praise you with an upright heart, hazel and your righteous laws. I will obey your decrees. Do not utterly forsake me. How can a young person tell the path of purity by living according to your word? I seek you with all my heart. Do not let me stray from your commands. I have hidden your word in my heart that I might not sin against you. Praise to be you, Lord. Teach me your decrees. With my lips I recount all the laws that come from your mouth. I rejoice in following your statutes. Husband rejoice in great riches. I meditate on your precepts and consider your ways. I delight in your decrees. I will not neglect your word. Be good to your servant while I live, that I may obey your word. Open my eyes, that I may see wonderful things in your law. I am a stranger on earth. Do not hide your commands from me. My soul is conceived with longing for your laws at all the time. You rebuke the arrogant who are accused, those who stay from your decrees. Remove from me this scorn and contempt, for I keep your statutes. Though rulers sit together and slander me, your servant will meditate on your decrees. Your statutes are my delight, they are my counselors. I am laid low in the dust, preserve my life according to your word. I gave an account of my ways, and you answered me. Teach me your decrees. Cause me to understand the way of your precept, that I may meditate on your wonderful deeds. My soul is very visceral. Strengthen me according to your word. Keep me from deceitful ways. Be gracious to me and teach me your laws. I have chosen the way of faithfulness. I have set my heart on your laws. I hold fast to your statutes. Do not let me be put to shame. I run in the path of your commands, for you have broadened my understanding. Teach me, Lord, the way of your decrees, that I may follow it to the end. Give me understanding so that I may live, keep your law, and obey it with all my heart. Direct me in the path of your commands, for there I find delight. Turn my heart toward your statutes and not toward selfish second. Turn my eyes away from worthless things. Preserve my life according to your word. Fulfill your promise to your servant, so that he may be feared. Take away the disgrace I dread, for your laws are good. Take away the disgrace I dread, for your laws are good. How I long for your precepts, and your righteous preserve my life. May your unfailing love come to me, Lord, your salvation according to your promise. Then I can answer anyone who turns me, for I trust your word. Never take your word of truth from my mouth, for I have put my hope in your laws. I will always obey your law forever and ever. I will walk about in freedom, for I have sought after precepts. I will speak of your statutes before king, and will not be put to shame. And I find delight in your commands, because I love them. I reach out of your commands which I love, that I may meditate on your decrees. Remember your word to your servant, for you have given me of my comfort and my suffering is this. Your promise preserve my life. The arrogant mock me unmercifully, but I do not turn from your law. I remember, Lord, your unsight laws, and I find comfort in them. Indignation grips me because of the wicked who have forsaken your law. Your decrees are the theme of my song wherever I lodge. In the night, Lord, I remember your name, that I may keep your law. This has been my practice. I obey your precepts. You are my portion, Lord. I have promised to obey your words. I have sought after faith with all my heart. Be gracious to me according to your promise. I have considered my ways and have turned my steps to your statutes. I will hasten and not delay to obey your commands. Though the wicked bind me with ropes, I will not forget your law. At midnight I rise to give you thanks for your righteous laws. I am a friend to all who fear you, to all who follow your precepts. The earth is filled with your love, Lord. Teach me your decrees. Do good to your servant according to your word, Lord. Teach me knowledge and good judgment, for I trust your commands. Before I was afflicted, I went astray, but now I obey your word. You are good, and what you do is good. Teach me your decrees. The arrogant have smeared me with rice. The arrogant have smeared me with lies. I keep your precepts with all my heart. Their hearts are callous and unfeeling, but I delight in your law. It was good for me to be afflicted, so that I might learn your decrees. The law from your mouth is more precious to me than thousands of pieces of silver and gold. Your hands made me and formed me. Give me understanding to learn your commands. May those who fear you rejoice when they see me, for I have put my hope in your word. I know, Lord, that all your laws are righteous, and that in faithfulness you have afflicted me. May your unfailing love be my comfort according to your promise to your servant. Let your compassion come to me, that I may live, for your law is my delight. May the arrogant be put to shame, wronging me without cause, but I will meditate on your precepts. May those who fear you turn to me, those who understand your statutes. May I wholeheartedly follow your decrees, that I may not be put to shame. My soul faints with longing for your patient, for I have put my hope in your word. My eyes fell looking for your promise. I say, when will you comfort me? Though I am like a wineskin in the smoke, I do not forget your decrees. How long must your servant wait? When will you punish my protractor, the arrogant dictates to trap me contrary to your law? All your commands are trustworthy. Help me, for I am being persecuted without cause. They almost wiped me from the earth. They almost wiped me from the earth, for I have not forsaken your precept. In your unfailing love, preserve my life, that I may obey the statutes of your mouth. Your word, Lord, is eternal. It stands firm in the heavens. Your faithfulness continues through all generations. You establish the earth, and it endures. Your laws endure to this day for all things of you. If your law had not been my delight, I would have pursued in my application. I will never forget your precepts, for by them you preserve my life. Save me for I am yours. I have sought out your precepts. The wicked are waiting to destroy me, but I will ponder your statutes. To see all perfection, I see a limit, but your commands are boundless. Oh, how I love your law. I meditate on it all day long. Your commands are always with me and make me wiser than my enemies. I have more insight than all my teachers, for I meditate on your statutes. I have more understanding than the elders, for I obey your precepts. I have kept my feet from every evil path, so that I might obey your word. I have not departed from your laws, for you yourself have taught me. How sweet are your words to my taste, sweeter than honey to my mouth. I gain understanding from your precept, therefore I hate every wrong path. Your word is a lamp for my feet, a light on my path. I have taken an oath and confirmed that I will follow your righteous laws. I have suffered much, preserve my life, Lord, according to your word. Accept, Lord, the willing praise of my mouth, and teach me your laws. Though I constantly take my life in my hands, I will not forget your law. The wicked have set a snare for me, but I have not strayed from your precepts. Your statutes are my heritage forever. They are the joy of my heart. My heart is set on keeping your decrees to the very end. I had double-minded people, but I love your law. You are my refuge and vessel, for I have put my hope in your word. Away from me, you evil doers, that I may keep the commands of my God. Sustain me, my God, according to your promise, and I will live. Do not let my hopes be dashed. Uphold me, and I will be delivered. I will always have regard of your decrees. You reject all who stray from your decrees, for the delusion come to nothing. All the wicked of the earth you discard like dross. Therefore I love your statutes. My flesh trembles in fear of you. I stand in awe of your law. I have done what is righteous and just. Do not leave me to my oppressor. Answer your servant well-being. Do not let the arrogant oppress me. My eyes fell looking for your salvation, looking for your righteous promise. Deal with your servant according to your word, and teach me your decrees. I am your servant. Give me discernment that I may understand your statutes. It is the time for you to act, Lord, for your law is being broken. Because I love your commands more than gold, more than pure gold, and because I consider all your precepts right, I hate every wrong path. Your statutes are wonderful, therefore I obey them. The unfolding of your word gives light, it gives understanding to the simple. I open my mouth and pen longing for your commands. Turn to me and have mercy on me, as you always do, those who love your name. Direct my footsteps according to your word. Let no sin rule over me. Redeem me from human oppression, that I may obey your precepts. Make your face shine on your servant, and teach me your decrees. Streams of tears flow from my eyes, for your law is not obeyed. You are righteous, Lord, and your laws are right. The statutes you have laid down are righteous, that are fully trustworthy. My zeal wears me out, for my enemies ignore your word. Your promise have been toughly tested, and your servants loves them. Though I am lowly and despised, I do not forget your precepts. Your righteousness is everlasting, and your law is true. Trouble and distress have come upon me, but your commands gives me delight. Your statutes are always righteousness. Give me understanding that I may live. I call with all my heart. Answer me, Lord, and I will obey your decrees. I call out to you, save me, and I will keep your statutes. I rise before dawn and cry for help, for I have put my hope in your word. My eyes stay open through the watches of the night, that I may meditate on your promise. Hear my voice in accordance with your love. Preserve my life according to your laws. Those who devise wicked schemes are near, but they are far from your law. Yet you are near, Lord, and all your commands are true. Long ago I learned from your statutes that you established them to last forever. Look on my suffering and deliver me, for I have not forgotten your law. Defend my cause and redeem me. Preserve my life according to your promise. Salvation is far from the wicked, for they do not seek out of your decrees. Your compassion, Lord, is great. Preserve my life according to your laws. Many are the foes who persecute me. Many are the foes who persecuted me, but I do not turn from your statutes. I look on the faithless with loathing, for they do not obey your word. See how I love your precepts. Preserve my life, Lord, in accordance with your love. All your words are true, all your righteous laws are eternal. Rulers persecute me without causes, but my heart trembles at your word. I rejoice in your promise like one who finds great spoils. I hate and desire falsehood, but I love your law. 7 times a day I praise you for your righteous laws. Great peace of those who love your name, and nothing can make them stumble. I wait for your salvation, Lord, and I follow your commands. I obey your statutes, and I love them greatly. I obey your precepts and your statutes, for all my ways are known to you. May my cry come before you, Lord. Give me understanding according to your word. May my supplication come before you. Deliver me according to your promise. May my lips overflow with praise for you. Teach me your decrees. May my tongue sing of your word, for all your commands are righteousness. May your hand be ready to help me, for I have chosen your precepts. I long for your salvation, Lord, and your laws gives me delight. Let me live that I may praise you, and may your law sustain me. I have strayed like a lost sheep. Seek your servant, for I have not forgotten your commands. Thank you.